Kat kum ketlong kubal ba yo ya thu ba hak alprai tari ujumang hak po no pai sngi kat ba gidang ya wan ke na than mau lakhiat ka sonam ra kubanchi ka Pynbiej le mle ya ulok jengka urajar kubanchi ba ya Leit Shondur ona ke apoi hak parking kemudian ha Arliang Riat mar persya ko saudong urajaru da kajing mut ke bakhui wa Leit bat dai hakate ke jeka bagi nong bela ke bela painong ka sonam ke ayolat ban kharwit ya uraja da kajing Shah shet ala kurim lajong kat kum bi tu sp iskasil ba bibek sim anut kentu official chohan baru anan kurim kulmi ilai lang sekete jeka bagi ong ban Leit Shondur bat uwei wa kasroj put pat uap ya skoti nalat ban keu sika parking bat mas ong ka sonam peniap official la khalwit dain da ka wai na kli uraja ban daladep ki bret syariat marma ga pet krat no wot na kate jaka klam yang shu shadu ko hati ban nang te ga Leit de ka rel shadu kisnong jongki
Sonam, she actually took taxi from.
Sonam took a taxi.
Yeah, took a taxi from Oktok and all that, and thereafter, I think later she had taken a tourist taxi, and from there took a train, local train. She hopped from one train to the other. Now we are yet to ascertain because, according to her, she went to Indore, but that is yet to be confirmed from the other accused. And the other three accused actually had gone in tourist taxi down there to Guwahati and boarded a train for Indore.
So they did not stay in Guwahati?
No, they did not stay. Going back, nobody stayed.
But from
Yes, two-wheelers.
So what are the new evidences? Because national media.
do you have
See, if you ask me also to go to Riat, I would take the Tirna road. But these people from so far, they took the Maulakhiat road and all that, very far away. One thing is, it could happen by chance because according to her, she's never been here. She may have just Googled which are the places which are isolated places. There's a lot of forest out there, and probably just found an opportune moment to commit the crime. It could have happened also anywhere. So we can't say because right now she has said that she's never been to Shillong. Some reports say that she has been here. We are yet to confirm that, and after that only we can say whether she chose Wai Saudong because she knew that place, or she just chose that on the spot and all that. But fact of the matter is, yes, they were planning to kill him, but which spot, whether they were sure or they were not sure, that is yet to be confirmed.
three accused here? They stay exactly.
No, they stayed in another homestay which is close by.
Okay, and then left from there. And did they leave together from Maulakhiat and then took that diversion there to the parking lot, or?
You see, they came up together. Okay, and in fact they had met in one scenic spot out there where they had met together, and then they walked up. And after they walked up, then their scooties were there, and it is according to the assailants, it was Sonam who took them to Wai Saudong, and that's where the crime took place.
So how much was the deal amount which Sonam had promised to pay?
See, I've seen various reports of how much money was paid to the assailants and all that is yet to be confirmed. Various amounts are coming in. That is, we will come to the conclusion once the parties, the accused are here and all that, and we finally actually get to the fact of the matter.
And the murder was committed in daylight.
Yes, daylight.
In front of Sonam only, sir? Whether she was present?
Oh yes, she was very much present in that place. She's the one who went in and with the scooties and all that, and she was very much there.
Has it been confirmed, because the police got a big lead from that scooty which was circling around the parking lot for almost 18 minutes and then 2 minutes there at AD viewpoint? Who was the one who was riding that scooty? Has it been confirmed? Was it Sonam or the assailants?
That is yet to be confirmed. Who was the one actually who went up and down to see the people who were coming in?
Also,
I'm hoping to charge sheet very early in record time. The SIT is very committed. In 7 days we've accumulated adequate evidence to arrest her. In the coming days, we will accumulate more evidence. We will document it. It will be a robust case.